Hey guys, welcome to lesson 9. We're still working on editing, but today you are going to identify and compare singular and plural possessive nouns. So the word possessive means that it belongs to you. It's your possession. Like this is Miss Sarate's pencil, right? This belongs to me. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch this video about possessive nouns, and then you will do a little bit of practice on some of the possessive nouns, but I'm going to go over the rules. So, rule 1, to show possession of singular nouns. So, pen, singular, 1, class. So, all you do is add an apostrophe S. Rule number 2, to show possession of plural nouns not ending in S. So like women, children, you do the same thing, you add apostrophe S. Now, rule number 3, to show possession of plural nouns ending in S. So if it ends in S, you're not going to put apostrophe S. You're going to do leaves, you're just going to put the apostrophe at the end. Classes, apostrophe at the end. So the knife of the chef is the chef's knife. The rule of the teacher is the teacher's. You put teacher is by itself singular, so apostrophe S. The shoes of Macy, they're Macy's, so you would put apostrophe S. The rattles of the baby, so because babies is the noun and it's plural, you put the apostrophe at the end. So what you're going to do next is you are going to do your independent work. You will be typing here the song of the bird. It would be you can go ahead and tell me, so fill this out. And then you will be reading Oliver's First Night, the central idea. And then you will be doing editing using your cup strategy. So make sure to go through each question, tell me the answer, and then you will be done. So I will see you guys in your next lesson, and hopefully you guys do a great job, okay? Bye guys.